How to fix DoorDash login error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix DoorDash login error, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to fix login error on DoorDash, all you have to do is, let's say you have the DoorDash application installed here, you're not being able to log in, or maybe you're just having some kind of issues like such. The first thing I want you to check is whether or not you're using a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch back to Wi-Fi to see if that actually helps you solve your problem. If it doesn't help you solve your problem, then there are also a couple of things that you can actually do. For that, long press the DoorDash app icon, then just tap the I button in order to come to the app info page here. Once you're on the app info page, you want to simply go to this option known as storage from the bottom of the screen. Go to storage and cache, make sure to clear cache and also make sure to clear the storage. And then come back, just tap the Play Store option, and then you can see DoorDash will open up in Play Store. Now in this case, just make sure that DoorDash app is updated to the latest version, because sometimes updating will also help you solve most of the bugs and errors. Once you've done that, last but not the least, the reason you might not be able to log into your account is due to an incorrect credentials. So just make sure that your credentials are actually correct. If you happen to forget them, you can just try to log in. If continue with email option doesn't work like this is because DoorDash is not available in your region. To fix this, you can use a VPN. Otherwise, you can just select continue with the Google account and then just go ahead and sign in with one of your Google accounts. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.